Because this takes effort, most people won't do it. They want the magic button, and there isn't one. And that's exactly why the people who actually learn this skill get paid so well. Now, this is not me selling you a course. I strongly believe that every one of you can learn to do this yourself. And here's why. Businesses everywhere are paying people to do boring, repetitive work by hand. You can build a robot that does all of it for them. Let me show you how. Let's go. AI automation means building systems that do repetitive work on their own. For example, a new lead fills out a form. The system instantly texts them back, adds them to CRM, and books the call. Nobody lifts a finger. That's an automation. Now add AI on top. It can read emails and reply, summarize documents, answer customer questions, make decisions, and not just move data around. But here's the key thing here. You connect apps together with visual tools. Drag, drop, and connect. If you can think in simple, when this happens, do that steps, you can learn this. That's the whole barrier, and it's lower than you think. Now, here's why this is worth learning. The demand is genuinely enormous. Nearly every small business has 5, 10, 20 tasks eating their week. It's manual work they pay a human to do. The owner knows AI could fix it, they just have no idea how and no time to figure it out. And that gap is the entire opportunity. You're the person who walks in, finds the bleeding and stops it, and the value is obvious to them. If you save a business 30 hours a month of paid work, that's real money back in their pocket. They'll happily pay you a slice of what you save them. You're not charging for your time, you're charging for the problem you make disappear. So let me show you the tools and then exactly how to find your first client. Let's talk tools. And here's the honest beginner path, not the expert flex. Just start with Zapier. You've probably heard about it. It's the most beginner-friendly automation tool there is, with the biggest library of app connections. It's generally just, when this happens in one app, do this in another. All right, you can build your first work in automation in an afternoon. That's your on-ramp. Just learn the logic here first. Then, as you get serious, you'll hear about two others. First one is Make, a visual builder that handles more complex branching automations with a cleaner canvas to see the whole flow. And n8n, the 2026 favorite for people who go deeper because you can self-host it, which keeps costs low and security-minded clients happy. Now here's the honest tip most beginners get wrong. Zapier gets expensive fast once you're running real volume. So learn on Zapier because it's easy. Move to Make or n8n once you land your first paying client and the math starts to matter. Right tool at the right stage. Underneath all of them sits an AI brain. It's either Claude or GPT doing the actual thinking. Reading, writing, deciding. It costs pennies per task. That's the piece that turns a simple automation into a smart one. You don't need all of these on day one. Just pick Zapier. Trust me. Learn it properly. Build 3 small things that work, and that's the start. Anyone can do it. Without the course. Without anything. Just your will. Now the first honest catch, and it's the mistake almost every beginner makes. Do not spend 3 months building the perfect system before you talk to a single client. You'll build something nobody asked for, and you'll burn out with $0 to show. Just flip it. Sell first, build second. Now get a real business to say, yes, I'd pay for that, before you build the full thing. A quick demo is enough to earn that yes. And then you build the real version, knowing you're already getting paid. And here's the related trap. Nobody cares about your fancy workflow with 47 steps. Nobody. They care that their leads get followed up in 60 seconds. Just don't fall in love with the tech. Fall in love with the problem you're solving. The business owner is buying an outcome, not your clever wiring. All right, let's make a pause here because this is the part everyone gets stuck on. Finding these clients. And here's where most people miss the easiest opportunity of all. It's local businesses. Just think about it. Everyone online is sending cold DMs, competing with thousands of other people hiding behind a screen. But meanwhile, the dentist, a barber shop, a law office, whatever, in your own town, they're drowning in manual work. And almost nobody is walking in with some real solution. A real human showing up with specific useful fix. It's very rare in 2026, and that's your edge. Being local and being real beats another cold message every time. So here's a play, step by step. Pick one type of business, just one, not everyone. Say local dental offices. When you focus, you learn their exact problems and you become the specialist, not a random generalist. Just find one specific pain point, watch how they operate. Maybe they take forever to reply to new patient inquiries. Maybe they still book by phone tag. That slow response is costing them customers every single day. Then you build a small demo that fixes exactly that. Just spend 30 minutes making a work conversion, an automation that instantly replies to a new inquiry and books the appointment. And then record your screen showing it working. Just 2 minutes video. Walk through their problem, then show your fix solving it live. And then just send that video, or better, just walk in with it. I noticed you take a day to reply to new patients. I built something that replies in 60 seconds. Want to see it? And that's it. You're not pitching here. You're showing them money they're currently losing. Already solved. When people see something real working, not slides, not promises, then they buy. And yeah, just start with the people you already know too. Almost everyone knows someone running a business with some painful manual work. Ask around. Now the second honest catch, and it's about protecting your profit and just watch your costs. These tools charge based on how much you run them. The AI brain charges per task, and usage spikes in real client projects, way more than beginners expect. It's very easy to build something, forget to check the meter, and watch your costs quietly eat your payment. So 2 rules here. 1, always bill the client for the tool and AI costs separately on top of your fee. Those are their running costs, not yours to absorb. And number 2, know roughly what a system costs to run before you quote a price, and then charge well above it. If you get this right and the margins are genuinely excellent, this is one of the highest margin businesses you can start. Get it wrong, and you're working hard to break even. Just do the math and protect your profit. Now, I'm going to be straight with you like always. This is real business, which means it's real work. Learning the tools takes focused practice, a few weeks to get capable, longer to get genuinely good. You will build things that break. You'll hear no before you hear a yes. That's the path. There's no skipping it. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But here's the truth. As I've told you, because this takes effort, most people won't do it. They want some magic solution. They want fast money. The demand is massive, and the skilled supply is small. You don't need to code. You don't need a degree. You need to pick one tool, learn it properly, find one business with a painful problem, and solve it. And you know what's beautiful? Do that once, and you've proven you can do it forever. The door is wide open right now. Effort is the only key. So that's the real path. Just learn Zapier, solve one painful problem, and then just go from there. This is something that anyone can do. Anyone who can sit down and, have some patience and consistency to learn something first. You don't have to have any kind of experience. You just have to use logic, all right? That's what it is. Just pick your tool today, start with Zapier, build one small automation, and you're going to see how easy this is, actually. But you need to sit down. The tool is not going to make money for you. You have to do it.